Have you ever wondered why doctors sometimes pour water into a patient's ear to check for brain health? It may sound strange, but this test, known as caloric stimulation, is an incredibly important tool in medical science. To understand why this works, let's take a quick look at your inner ear. The inner ear contains a fluid-filled structure called the vestibular system, which helps with balance and spatial orientation. This system connects directly to the brain, meaning it can reveal a lot about how your brain is functioning. When doctors pour water into a patient's ear, they're introducing a temperature change to the fluid in the inner ear. If the water is cold, the eyes will move away from that ear, but if the water is warm, the eyes will move toward the ear. This eye movement is an involuntary response, meaning the body does it automatically. It's called the vestibulo-ocular reflex, and it plays a key role in how we stabilize our vision when moving. So why does this eye movement matter? By observing the direction and speed of the eye movements, doctors can gain insight into the function of your brainstem, a vital part of the brain that controls essential processes like breathing and heartbeat. Abnormal or absent responses can suggest issues such as brain injury, vestibular disorders, or even neurological conditions. Now you may be wondering, why do cold and warm water cause different reactions? The answer lies in how the temperature affects the movement of fluid inside the semicircular canals. Cold water causes the fluid to sink, creating a reaction that moves the eyes away. Warm water makes the fluid rise, resulting in the opposite reaction. Caloric stimulation is especially useful in diagnosing disorders related to the vestibular system and brainstem, such as balance disorders, vertigo, and other neurological conditions. Doctors can see if both sides of the brain are functioning equally by testing both ears separately. This test can also be crucial in assessing brain injury. In cases of severe brain injury, doctors use caloric stimulation to check if the brainstem is still functioning. If there's no eye response, it could indicate significant brain damage. While caloric stimulation has been around for a while, research continues on improving techniques for assessing brain health. Innovations in neuroimaging and vestibular testing are helping to make brain health evaluations even more precise. From the simple use of warm and cold water to reveal critical information about the brainstem, caloric stimulation remains one of the fascinating tools in neurology. Next time you're feeling dizzy or off balance, remember that your inner ear has a direct line to your brain. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who love learning about amazing science facts.